Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. It's your girl Star Flames, and we're back with another video. So, if you're new, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell, and join the family. While you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up and help your girl out. Now, guys, as you all know, Jennifer Lopez was Celebrity B. The moment that lawsuit came out and it said female celebrity, we all knew it was JLO. And now Alex Spiro is confirming that bit of information for us. He's stopping Tony Buzbee in his tracks. That's what I believe Alex Spiro is doing, because he has filed a new court order for the case to be dismissed. He has also responded to Tony Buzbee's lawsuit that Tony Buzbee filed on the behalf of a client by the name of Garcia, wherein they're suing Rock Nation Philanthropy Group, JayZ, and Alex Spiro. So Alex Spiro is putting an end to Tony Buzbee's shock effect with this lawsuit, which means that even if Tony Buzbee, I should say, comes after JLO, he cannot create that shock effect like what he did with JayZ, because we all suspected that the female celebrity B was JLO. Well, our girl Lauren had thought it was Mary J. Blige, maybe, but no. Alex Spiro is revealing that it is in fact JLO, and as such, Tony Buzbee has lost some leverage with him exposing that information. Now, please note, when we talk about these cases, we're not saying the allegations are not true, irrespective of the consistencies that have been detected in the lawsuit. Now, a few of my subscribers, you guys have said to me, check out Tisa Star, because she found out that the incident took place in 2003 and not in 2000. And that is true. And hence why I said, if Tony Buzbee had done his legwork like he told us that he did, JayZ and his legal team wouldn't have the legroom that they now have to point out so many inconsistencies, which is why I said I believe Tony Buzbee used this woman as a PR tool to get more discovery in the celebrity spectrum of lawsuits. He wants to display his power and dominance. He wants to prove to client that if you have something about JayZ, it's okay for you to come to me because I'm not scared of him. Look at here. Look at me standing up to big, bad, mighty JayZ. So I am saying that if Tony Buzbee, because if Tisa could find all of that information, it wasn't hidden. No, it wasn't. It means that it took a little discovery. It took some work. And he said that he hired private investigators to do their work. And I don't see how private investigators look and say, well, it seems as though what she's saying is true. Why didn't they discover that, what, her witnesses weren't at the VMAs award on that year, but they were there in 2001, 2002, or 2003, and then see how 2003 checks out better, because that is what you're supposed to do as a legal team. You're supposed to come up with scenarios, and these scenarios, they're supposed to be plausible. They didn't do that. Tony Buzbee saw an opportunity, he took it, he ran with it, and I believe that his client was not the priority. And that is what other attorneys are saying, because number one, you don't have that many inconsistencies in your case, and then have your client sitting down with a media outlet, a news station, doing an interview, publicly admitting inconsistencies. You don't put your client on the line like that. And the mere fact that he put his client on the line like that, even though she was sitting down and doing that interview, she was promoting Tony Buzbee, because after that he was like, irrespective of the inconsistencies, we're not afraid of JayZ. I'm going to do some more research. And it has been day 3, if not 4, not a peep, not a word from Buzbee. However, he still has time. So let's see what he comes with. Also, what I'm saying is that the client inconsistencies doesn't affect the case on her side, because the court expects inconsistencies. A research has been done. The court is documented to expect inconsistencies in people with special abilities. And when the case is that many years ago, they do expect inconsistencies, and normally the client is given the opportunity to refile. But what may ruin this opportunity for the VMA bandit is the fact that Tony Buzbee filed the case in a manner in which the court could throw the case and the client would have to move on and find another attorney, because he filed the case in a court that is not barred to practice in, and there's some other legal stipulations there that Alex Spiro pointed out against Buzbee. So if this case is thrown out, it's not on the inconsistencies that the VMA bandit provided, it's on Tony Buzbee's end, the action and the manner in which he filed the case, okay? Just wanted to make that clear. Now, as I've said, Ms. Jennifer Lopez has been named in the lawsuit. Now, according to the accuser, she said that back in 2000, she went to the award show. She wanted to go to the after party. She saw one of Jay-Z's, not Jay-Z, but Diddy's men. They told her this is what Diddy's looking for. And he took her there. She was offered a drink. She got woozy, wanted to lie down. They took her into a room. Jay-Z and Diddy then entered the room, did unpleasantries. Miss Jennifer Lopez was a female who watched and not did anything to help the girl. Now, following the allegations of the amended lawsuit on December 8th, the Daily Mail had revealed some images of Jennifer Lopez arguing with Sean Diddy Combs. The report that came out, I believe this was, yes, so the report that came out 6 days ago from the Daily Mail, they're saying Jennifer Lopez caught up in Jay-Z Award scandal as unearthed photo shows her arguing with Diddy on the night of the alleged assault. If you guys remember Diddy and Jennifer Lopez, it is said that they dated from 1999 to 2001. And back in 2000, there is a clip with Jennifer Lopez and Diddy. They were seen in a heated discussion. And I believe from then, the Daily Mail have been telling us that, Celebrity B is in fact Miss Jennifer Lopez. Now, the photos in question, they were from a function that they were at the Lotus nightclub on September 7th, 2000. JLO stands with her sister Linda and scolds at Diddy at their apparent argument. When I saw the initial report, I was saying, I'm wondering if it is the case that because she's saying Jennifer Lopez is the celebrity, I'm wondering if it is the case that it did in fact went down, and after that incident or something, JLO and Diddy had an argument. But then again, it would not collaborate with the rest of her allegations. So I'm not sure how they're gonna put this together, or unless this argument at the Lotus nightclub with Diddy and Jennifer Lopez was just an incident that took place that night and that was it, unless that is the case. No. As I've said, Jay-Z is named in this lawsuit. Jay-Z is the focus at this point because he's the second celebrity to be named after Sean Diddy Combs. And when a high-profile celebrity is named in a lawsuit like this, it's going to take some time for the allegations to go away. Even if the court case is dismissed, it's going to provide a new area of opportunity for other accusers to step forward. Now, just to wrap this up and just to reiterate a little bit, I understand with what my viewers are sharing with me, with what they told me about Sattel's discovery in 2003. And once again, let me reiterate, I'm not saying the incident did not happen. 2003 matched closer to the allegations. Now also, 2000 and in 2000, they were all at the Lotus nightclub. They had alibi for their whereabouts. So I really honestly don't think the incident happened in 2000 as the victim is saying. And I do hope that, she even gets a new attorney to move forward with her case because nothing is coming out from Tony Buzbee. Now also, as it relates to JLO being named as Celebrity B, I am anxious to see if Tony Buzbee steps forward with a lawsuit against Jennifer Lopez. But if he does, it's not going to create the shock effect that he did with Jay-Z, because already Alex Spiro has put it out in the open that it is Jennifer Lopez, and we've been getting hints from the media outlets that it is in fact Jennifer Lopez. So I don't know. The information is scrambled. It's not adding up, and it's just up to her attorney to put things into perspective for whatever year the incident took place. Now, as it relates to Jennifer Lopez's whereabouts in 2003, I'm not seeing any evidence of Jennifer Lopez at the 2003 all-white party. There's Jennifer Lopez at the 2000 all-white party, but I'm not seeing any photographs of her for 2003. I'm seeing Kim Porter, so I don't know. In 2003, Jennifer Lopez was hanging around Ben Affleck a little bit. She attended his birthday party August 11, 2003, and then she made a relationship with Mark Anthony Public in 2003. She was around Ben and Mark in 2003 a lot. So the first half it was Ben, then Mark Anthony. So I don't know. I'm not seeing anything of JLO being around Diddy at that period. I'm seeing Kim Porter though. I'm seeing Kim Porter being around Sean Diddy Combs. So let's see how they put this forward in the event that they bring forward any further allegations. I want to see what Tony Buzbee does, if in fact he does anything. But guys, we have a lot more to talk about, because I think there's so much more coming up. So it is your time to chime in. Let me know what are your thoughts while you're at it. Give this video a big thumbs up. Share if you care. Stay safe, and see you guys later. Peace.